Everyone, Amtrak and Sussex, we're in here and we got Amtrak 63 close to like 1240. He's probably on track 2, because the lakeshore is nearby, but it came on the radio that the lakeshore has to wait for this guy to clear because the lakeshore is now probably stopped at the Cookville area waiting for this guy because the lakeshore was probably on track 2, but he can't switch on to track 201, or I guess, because I don't know what's wrong, if something's wrong with track 1, or it's usually on track 2 heading east, but it still wants to be on track 2 for now, but it first has to wait for this guy. It has to first wait for this guy, 63, to clear the interlocking towards just right past here at 278 that goes all the way into the Cookville area, where it turns into 3 lanes. I also heard, I think we have Heritage 100 on one of these trains today. I also heard that 145 was nearby, but I heard that was yesterday on the eastbound 64 Maple Leaf, trailing with 700 P42 ACDM from Albany on someone else's channel. Might be going slow here, unless he thinks we're going to have a meet or a race. I don't think so. I think I just heard him just trying to warn us just now. Okay, so the lakeshore is probably still at Syracuse Station, waiting for this guy to clear, so it doesn't need to go to Cookville and wait. There it goes. Awesome to see this. So about the camera, but yeah, awesome to see this heritage still around. And it's gonna go meet up with the lakeshore.